maybe this video is going to be completely useless, but maybe it's going to help you. So I'm just want to share with you how you can like repair when your Comfee dishwasher is not draining, what you can try to do. So you can check the air gap. If you have, make sure the disposer is empty, if dishwasher is connected to disposer, and then also make sure the drain hose is properly connected to the sink. And then another thing that you can try to do is that when you're gonna take out everything from it, on the bottom you are going to find these filters, right? So you can have the fine filter, then you just want to wash and put it back, but then you're gonna have also the cylinder filter. So try to check out, maybe if you're gonna like do the cylinder filter. The cylinder filter is designed to collect some baggages such as broken glass, bones, and pits. The cylinder filter needs to be clean to maximize wash performance. So try to take it out. It's going to be on the bottom, and then you would see if it's going to work out or no. So have a great day and clean it out and put it back. Maybe it's going to fix the issue. Have a great day and goodbye.